Diba? Grabe. Buhay na buhay yung mata ko nung nagkaroon na ako ng lashes. As you can see, grabe yung difference with and without. Sobrang buhay na buhay yung eyes ko here. And then, like, your makeup is not complete without lashes talaga. And I've been using this style even to my makeup clients. I know some of you are not fan of lashes like this for everyday use, but they have different styles and I will definitely try the other styles as well. So, lagyan natin sila pareho para makita nyo. Yes. So, this is how it look with my both eyes. Parang feeling ko everyday na akong magagawa. I mean, hindi na ako aalis ng walang lashes. Kaya i-check out nyo na yan. I use BA02 and it comes with free tweezer na. Sobrang dali lang niyang gamitin.